Hey you guys, this is Future Toya here. How y'all doing? I hope all is well in your world on this Sunday morning, September 4th at 10 a.m. If you have come on over to this channel on this day. I am doing a collab with Bethany from Embracing Life and from Toya with Tidy with Toya. And it's a fall clean and decorate, maybe a fall clean and cook. We'll see what's going on in this little playlist. We hope to give y'all all the motivation and inspiration that you need to get all these things done today, okay? Or even sometime later on this week. You know, we are all mothers, we are all wives in this collab, and we understand being busy and doing things for the family. So I really hope that y'all enjoy, like I said, this motivation, and go over to their channels and like them enough to subscribe and like their videos, and make sure you comment over there, comment on their channel. Y'all know I have a hard time talking. It is 11:51 on, I know I said Sunday, but it's Thursday the 1st. I hope that you have enough, you like them enough to where you consider to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead. I love their channel, especially Bethany's. Bethany have laundry, lots of laundry motivation, and line drying. Line drying is wonderful for me. And then Tidy with Toya is a mother, a twin mother, a boy and girl, Jamila and Sharif. And she's also a wife, like I said before, and she does a lot of decluttering and cleaning, hence her channel name, Tidy with Toya. And she just started cast stuffing. So I hope y'all go over there and, like I said, subscribe, join their families just like you have. And if you coming over from my channel over there, go ahead and say, hey, I'm coming over from DATFAMILY5, all right? And if you're coming over from their channel, hopefully you like our videos enough to go ahead and subscribe, okay? And once you subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like the video on today. And don't forget also to comment below who you coming from and where you coming from. And yeah, let's go ahead and get on over to these intros. Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. Hey you guys, and once again, welcome back to DAT Family 5. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. On today, we're doing a fall collab with two beautiful ladies, Bethany and Toya, as I said before. And we're doing a fall cook and clean and decorate with me. Two of the three, okay? So I really hope y'all enjoy this video. So we're going to go ahead and do my living room today. And then, yeah, that's what we're doing. I need to do a fall deep clean on my couch. And we're going to do some laundry motivation. Totally forgot about that until we just saw this clip, right? That's how we do here. So I really hope that y'all enjoy all this motivation and inspiration. And yeah, I'll see y'all after the end of the video.
They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Girl, it's time you put yourself first. Go and get the love you deserve. Stop by screaming out the word. No, 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 no. Don't let anyone put you down. Stand up straight and hold your head high. Stop by saying it out loud. No, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Yeah. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell 'em no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake
wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure. I'll pull you close, like you to me, babe. I just need some closure. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me. Cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we can rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure.
Different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking stars above to let us know and go. We only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? to monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding along. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Hey, I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding along. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright?
All right, you guys, this video is about to come to an end. I want to thank y'all so much for spending your time with us, because time is precious. Don't forget to head over to Bethany's channel, which is Embracing Life, and don't forget to head over to Toya's channels, which is Tidy with Toya. I really hope y'all enjoyed this collab with all three of us today, and I really hope that y'all get all the motivation that you need in your life to live your life abundantly. All right, let's get this done. Oh yeah, let me not forget, happy belated birthday to Michaela. She was the curly hair one on the left side of the video that came and did the peace signs. One of my daughter's friends, and we will see y'all on the tube. Thank y'all for supporting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Peace out, y'all.
No one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't choose